back again to Ghantawala Bihari Samosa, which is viral in London. The samosas which everybody craves for. And in this chilling weather, we love to have them. Just look at the crowd we have over here. It's a long queue and I'm sure it's gonna worth the queue. Packed with potatoes and that secret Bihari masala twist. One bite and you'll know why it's famous for far beyond Bihar. So that crispy, tangy and totally addictive. So where every bell rings, a samosa lover is born. So wait till the end to watch this gigantic bell and how we rang it to be the lover of this samosa, because this taste is really worth it, and especially in the weather of London, you just crave for it. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to see such beautiful videos on food and places to visit. Stay tuned to watch till the end, because there we are going to unpack our Ghantawala Bihari Samosa and we'll see how does it taste and how does it look like. So watch till the end. watch a full video on Wembley Trader in Ealing Road in my channel. So have a look, and if you're new, please do subscribe to see more videos.
Yeah.
Finally, we got this Ghantawala Bihari Samosa at home. They have given in very cute packaging, chutneys or same pack, so no soggy and nothing. And there you go. Tastes so good. The green one is chili sauce. This is sweet. The chili and sweet combination is just amazing.